Okay, so normally I don't participate in these type of challenges or viral whatever, but when I saw this one, I had to participate because this is essentially how I make my coffee every day. 2 scoops of coffee, 2 scoops of sugar, add a little bit of water to melt it and dissolve it, and then the rest is full-blown milk. The only thing that this viral TikTok coffee is changing is that they're whipping that coffee up a ton before adding it to the milk and drinking it. So I'm gonna give it a try. It sounds delicious. It's essentially what I'm doing every day anyway, so we're gonna see.
So here we have the sugar and the coffee. I'm about to get the water. One. Two. And I'm going to do a little extra because I always do giant spoonfuls.
Okay, so it took about 2 minutes to get the coffee all whipped up and thick. So that's what it looks like now. And when you think it's not gonna get to where it needs to go, just keep going because it gets there. It just takes a really long time. So I'm gonna add my ice. Normally I wouldn't use quite so many ice cubes. I tell you, I've got this down to a science. I normally just use 2 or 3, but we're gonna use 5 today. And I'm gonna add my milk. And I'm going to scoop out the coffee and I'll be right back. All right, so here's what it looks like after the coffee has been added to the top. You can see the swirls going down. It looks really, really good. And I'm gonna mix it up. You're gonna mix it before you drink it. You don't just drink it like this. So let's mix it up some. I mean, I imagine it's gonna be good because it's what I drink every day. It's just all whipped up and delicious looking. Okay, it's really hard to mix with the straw. Let's use this spoon. There we go. Now we're getting a good mix. Time for a taste test. Alright, so this is looking pretty delicious. I'm gonna give it a taste. Seems like the coffee, it's hard to mix so the coffee's still kind of hanging out at the top, but let's see what it tastes like. I guess the coffee's still not mixed in very well, so the bottom, even though it looks really dark, it kind of just tastes like milk. It does have a little bit of a frothiness to it, which is kind of good. Give it a thumbs up. I'm not going to go through the hassle of making this every day. It's just not worth it, but it tastes good.
Hello, this is Zoe, and I was the one recording most of the videos most of the time. Bye!